Hello, it's Monday, February the 7th, 2011, and I'm Martin Smith with a daily outlook from UFXBank. The dollar gained against most of the major currencies after initial jobless claims came out better than expected. However, non-farm payrolls came out 36,000 worse than expected at 150,000, and the unemployment rate came out 9% better than expected, 9.60%, making the dollar more attractive to investors. Moreover, Federal Reserve Chairman Bernanke said the US economic recovery should gain speed this year, causing the investors to feel more optimistic. Nasdaq and Dow Jones strengthened by 0.56% and 0.25% respectively. Crude weakened by $1.47 to close at $89.10 a barrel, and gold fell by $5.80 to close at $1,348.40 an ounce. No economic data is expected today. The euro dropped from its highest level against the dollar since November as European Central Bank President Jean-Claude Trichet dimmed the prospect of a boost in borrowing costs when he said inflation risks are balanced. As long as the rate is below 136, the momentum of the euro is bearish, with next support on the 4-hour chart at 135.40. Overall, the euro-dollar traded with a low of 135.43 and a high of 136.77. No economic data is expected today. The pound fell against the dollar following last Friday's positive US data to capture the 161 area, but sterling's gains against the euro boosted speculation that the Bank of England may increase interest rates this year. The pound dollar has encountered serious resistance on the daily chart at 161. As long as the rate is below that, the pound remains the less attractive. Overall, the pound dollar traded with a low of 160.36 and a high of 161.72. No economic data is expected today. The yen weakened against the dollar following last Friday's positive US data. The momentum of the dollar-yen is bullish, provided the pair continues to trade above 82 on the daily chart. Main resistance for the dollar-yen is at 82.30. Should the pair break above this level, it could climb to 83. Overall, the dollar-yen traded with a low of 81.08 and a high of 82.46. No economic data is expected today. Finally, the Canadian dollar. This rose against the dollar after the unemployment rate came out 69.20 thousand, better than expected 21.20 thousand. Unemployment, however, came out at 7.80% worse than expected, and the IV-PMI came out at 41.40, worse than expected 43.70. As long as the dollar CAD is trading below 100 and remains below the 10-day moving average on the daily chart, the Canadian dollar is still the more attractive. Next support on the daily chart is at 0.9840. Overall, the dollar CAD traded with a low of 0.9832 and a high of 0.9915. Today, building permits is expected at 2.90% versus minus 11.20%. Well, that's it from me. Be sure to visit us at UFXBank.com for simple, safe, secure trading.